In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create your floral wreath craft kit. To begin, ensure that the wreath is facing the correct way with the leaves rotating in a clockwise direction. To apply colour to your wooden wreath, start by lightly swiping the pink ink pad directly onto the wood. Work with the direction of the wood grain to build up an even coverage. Continue to build up colour, working your way around the wreath. As we design and laser cut all of our wooden craft shapes from the finest Scandinavian birchwood, there's no need to prime before inking. Once you have coloured the entire wreath, leave it to dry for 20 to 30 minutes. Next, arrange the Liberty flowers so that they are in the correct position on the wreath. When you have arranged all of the flowers, apply a small dot of PVA glue to the reverse side of each flower. Then press into the correct position on the wreath. The glue is fast drying, but there will be some time for you to reposition the flowers so that it perfectly fits on the wreath. Don't worry if you apply a little too much glue, as it dries clear. Continue to apply a small dot of PVA glue to the reverse side of each Liberty flower and glue into place. Once you have glued down all of the flowers, leave it to dry for 20 to 30 minutes. To attach your bird to the wreath, start by cutting a length of ribbon to 20 centimeters. Then thread the ribbon through the hole in the wooden bird. Place the bird in the center of the wreath. Then feed the ribbon around the top of the wreath and secure with a knot. With the remaining 30 centimeters of ribbon, create a hanging loop and secure with a knot. Once you have finished, then your wreath is ready for hanging.